Hello everybody, and how have you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create yourself an Instagram highlight reels. So for those people who do not know what Instagram highlight looks like, you can click on your profile picture at the bottom of the screen, and once you're over here you can see where it says Kevin's highlight and demo over here. That's basically my highlight cover. So the picture you see in front of them, that's what highlight cover is. And these are called the highlight section on your Instagram. Now you can click on the new button in order to create yourself a new highlight. But let's say you already have a highlight and you just want to change the cover of it. So let's say I want to change the cover of Kevin's highlight. So it's going to use the default one. So let's say I want to change it to a newer one. Then I'm going to be showing the way on how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you click on the highlight which you want to change the cover of. And then at the bottom you can see the three dot. Click on it and you can see where it says edit highlight. You want to click on edit highlights, and you can see where it says edit cover at the top. You want to click on edit cover, and over here what you can do is click on the gallery looking icon at the bottom of your screen over here, right beside the picture. Click on the gallery icon and you can choose whichever photo you want. So let's say I want to choose this photo over here. So after I choose it, I can click on done. Once I click on done, at the top there's going to be another done button. You can click on it to confirm, or you can even choose which part of it you want to show over here. So click on done at the top right corner, and then basically you're good to go. And at the top again there's going to be another done. Click on it to confirm it. Wait for some time until it loads up, and that's basically how you guys can create yourself Instagram highlights cover. So yeah, I just created a cover, but like editing the cover is also the same way. All right, so hope you guys understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay tuned for our channel How to Guide for future videos. Bye bye.